Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome all of my old and new subscribers worldwide. Today's video will be based on a burgundy fall look that I've created using some departed ColourPop eyeshadows and some makeup that I received as a gift from a family member. If you are new here, I usually put on makeup while I cover topics that come to my mind. If that is your cup of tea, I highly encourage you to stick around, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. For those who tune in regularly, I thank God and you for the amount of support that you provide. All the products that I've used will be listed in the description area below. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. I usually post here on YouTube each week, but for those who were looking forward to me posting video last week, I do apologize because I was not feeling well last week. I thank you for your patience and for your understanding during those difficult times. At this point, I'm truly thankful for all that I have, and I'm really looking forward to the upcoming holidays, spending time with family, and God's blessings that He'll bestow upon me and my family in the future. I'm very thankful for my health, strength, and for being well enough to be able to do the things that I love and enjoy. I'm thankful to be able to wake up every day and enjoy life and the people who are a part of it and the things that I was able to work hard for. I'm also thankful to be able to find a career that I enjoy and feel at peace with. It may not be a whole lot of money, but I'm still able to pay my bills and get the things that I need. With this career that I have extra days off where I can be able to spend time on myself and those I love and with the things that I enjoy doing. I'm also thankful for the lessons that I've learned when I make mistakes and bad decisions. I'm thankful to be able to have the opportunities to fix things, the time to be organized, and the opportunities to be able to help others as well. I'm also thankful for the losses, the gains, the happiness, and pain that I've experienced through the last 30 years I've been on this earth. Most of all, I'm thankful to God for sending Jesus to die on the cross so that way we can all have fellowship with God, to be close to Him as we should be. Nothing gives me greater peace when I place everything in God's hands. I'm not going to lie to you because sometimes I've tried to do quite a few things on my own and wonder why it never works. That's one of the valuable lessons that I've learned, is to trust God no matter what or how things look. The Bible says to be thankful in all circumstances, according to 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 18. Not only am I thankful for all of the physical blessings, but I am also thankful for the spiritual blessings as well. There have been some times when I wasn't always happy with the jobs I've had or some of the things that I have received before. It took me some time to learn to enjoy the process to get to where I am today. It also took me some time to learn to enjoy what I had. I wasn't at peace then, but now I'm continuing to work on the level of peace that I have right now. I came to a point where I was learning to be thankful when I realized that some people don't have what I've been blessed with, so it's important to always be thankful. I'm also thankful to be able to live life without limits, despite all of the mental and physical challenges that I face, like with having autism and other sort of sicknesses. All the material things that I received that I'm grateful for may sound superficial, but there is a spiritual connection that is behind that. It was God who is the provider and protector that allowed me to have all of these things, and He gave me the strength to be able to go out and earn these things. Those things may pertain to my job, the car that I drive, the clothes that I wear, the food that I eat, things of that sort that are essential. I'm also grateful for the things that I'm able to use for my own pleasure, like with the makeup and also with doing arts and crafts. I'm also into things that allow me to be creative and to allow me to use my imagination. I invested in so much time, money, and energy into my makeup skills and the material that comes with it. I want to be able to use it to their full advantage. I also want to make the most out of anything else that I own, whether it's a gift or not. As it gets closer to Thanksgiving, I realize that every day is a day for thankfulness. This time of the year, there's nothing like spending time with family and looking forward to creating brand new memories. I give God all credit and glory for the things and people He placed into my life. The only thing that I plan to do during this Thanksgiving season is to spend it with family, to eat good, of course, and to just enjoy it. I'm also helping my mom cook and decorate the house for Christmas season that's coming up as well. Right around Thanksgiving night every year, my mom and I usually put up the Christmas tree and decorate it. My mom and I usually start Christmas shopping a few months early before Christmas. If you happen to have any plans or any sort of special traditions during the Thanksgiving and Christmas seasons, feel free to share them with me in the comments below. I usually just splurge on beauty products every year for the holidays, but I decided to stick with what I have because I have more than enough makeup for just one person. Some of these products that I've used, I had received as a gift from family members, whether it's for my birthday or Christmas time or whatnot. Some of my makeup products have been deposited so certain things can be in one place. I've taken some time to declutter products as well and give some to those who don't have any, and for those I know that will enjoy them more than I would. I have more than enough makeup to fill up an entire bookshelf, which is ridiculous because I'm only one person and it's not possible for me to go through all of those products in one sitting. There have been times when I've used makeup products as art supplies. That way I was able to get so much more use out of them. So going forward, I'm going to be selective on the products that I buy and use, and to get the most out of the products that I already own. I much rather would continue to use the products that work best for me and the products that I enjoy using the most. Next, I'm going to be applying some blush that I had made out of some pink eyeshadows that I wasn't using. So all I did was just crush it up and put them into some small containers that I had gotten from Amazon. For my highlight, I pretty much did the same thing for when I had used some beige looking eyeshadows that I wasn't using. And so it's amazing how you can take makeup and make new products out of them. I took some of my makeup products and I rearranged them quite a bit so they won't be so hard to find. If you see me smiling so much in this clip, it's because I'm laughing at my stepdad in the background. But anyhow, I always like to show people that you can use a makeup product for more than one purpose, and you don't always have to have all new products on the market. Now next I'm going to be lining my lips with the Lip Bars lip pencil in the shade Straight Talk. This lip liner is very creamy and long lasting. Last but definitely not least, I'm going to be applying the Lip Bars liquid lipstick in the shade Rebel, and I have to tell you that this is the best drugstore liquid lipstick that is on the market in my book, and I'm also thankful to have it because it is very long lasting and very pigmented. I enjoy the products that are long lasting and convenient for me to use. Well, the look is all complete. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all my new videos. Until next time, take care, stay blessed, and have a happy Thanksgiving, y'all.